Make peace with your past so it wouldn't screw up the present.
What others think of you is none of your business. Time heals almost everything. Give it time. Don't compare your life to others and don't judge them. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Stop thinking too much. It's alright not to know the answers. They will come to you when you least expect it. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. Smile. You don't own all the problems in the world. Success is a journey, not a destination. No one has traveled the bridge of success without ever crossing the streets of failures. Hope is the power that gives a person the confidence to step out and try. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old but on building the new. There is no passion to be found in playing small, in settling for a life that is less than you are capable of living. If you must look back, do so forgivingly. If you must look forward, do so prayerfully. However, the wisest thing you can do is be present in the present, gratefully. Sometimes the best thing you can do is not think, not wonders, not imagine, not obsess. Just breathe and have faith, and everything will work out for the best. Confidence isn't walking into a room with your nose in the air and thinking you are better than everyone else. It's walking into a room and not having to compare yourself to anyone else in the first place. It is always important to know when something has reached its end. Closing circles, shutting doors, finishing chapters, it doesn't matter what we call it. What matters is to live in the past, those moments in life that are over.